Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Bab Vision. Today I want to help you solve a common problem. Videos are uploaded to a YouTube channel but do not appear on the home page. As you can see here on my home page, no videos are visible, but when I go to the videos tab there are 3 videos listed. So let me show you 2 steps to fix this issue. Step 1. Check the visibility settings. In the top right corner click your profile picture, avatar, and select YouTube Studio. From the left-hand menu, go to Content. Check the visibility of each video and make sure they are set to public. Step 2. Go to the main YouTube page and click Customize Channel. In the channel customization section you'll see 2 tabs, Profile and Home tab. In the Profile tab you can edit banner image, profile picture, channel name, handle, pronouns, description, channel URL, links, contact info, video watermark. For now we'll skip these and go to the Home tab. In the Home tab, scroll to Layout and click Add section. Select Videos. Now all your videos will appear on the home page layout. Click Publish and go to your channel's home page. Refresh the page, you'll now see your videos showing up on the main page. To add a channel trailer or welcome video, again go to Channel Customization and Home tab. Click Add section and choose Channel Trailer or Featured Video. From the video list, select the one you want as your welcome video. Click Publish, then refresh your home page. Now your selected video appears at the top as a welcome video for new viewers. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch another tutorial from Bab Vision. I really appreciate your support. Like, subscribe and comment. It gives me energy to make more videos like this.